Hello friends, Alim Shah here. So today's topic is just to continue about our payer discussion, and here there was a request. They were asking about what are all the sections involved in payer and what about the template and timeline for submission to USFDA. So sections, what are all the sections involved in terms of periodic adverse drug experience report? Yes, unlike PSUR, the USFDA didn't release any kind of proper, it is a kind of approved template where the MAH readily they can go ahead and they can use that particular template. They haven't released, but they have provided some kind of guideline kind of boundary what information should go. They have released in as a draft in 2001. And as far as the 21 CFR 314.80 concern, it is a straightforward one, and each and every marketing authorization holder they would draft their own requirement based on this. They will create a template, their own template based on the requirement and their legacy or newly approved product. Based on that, they would create their own template and they will proceed further. So the basic requirement for PADER is some of the sections whatever it is enlisted here. So the section should focus on narrative analysis and summary. Here in this section they will focus on how many cases got reported, how many were expedited and how many were non-expedited, and how many 15-day alert reports they have received. It's a kind of a summary of what about the serious cases, what about the non-serious cases, how many HCP, and those cases details would be provided as a summary. And following that there is a analysis, a detailed analysis. Sometimes they requested to present for 15-day alert cases narrative, a short narrative. It can't be just replication of the 15-day report ICSR what is being submitted. So it is going to be like a succinct summary, what is the take home out of this, and it's going to be very a short narrative, a gist of information what they are going to draft here. And the sections of the PSUR, that is the template, it's going to be like next information they are going to focus on labeling. In US there is a common label, that is USPI, United States prescribing information. Following that there might be some United States patient product information. For patient they have they will create in a layman term like patient product information. So like the USPA, United States prescribing information, and this labeling information during that review period. Example, if they write for 3 months review reporting interval, so during this 3 months what happened, how many times the USPA got changed, like that they will write. If it is a annual cycle they will write how many times the labeling got changes. So those details will be captured, and during this period, whether it is a 3 months or annual, so whatever the clinical trials got initiated or completed, or any other thing is ongoing, the same way for any other studies they have initiated, any epidemiological study or any other post authorization safety studies they have initiated or ongoing, whether it is completed, they will focus on that. And the same time they would focus for, is there any other important regulatory actions taken due to safety reasons, so they will enlist. And finally they would attach the index of listings they would attach. So these are all the 6 things are just mandatory in order to submit as a payer to USFDA. So each company would draft their own template, and they will try to meet and accomplish all these requirement. This could be as a template and sections of payer, we can say. We will continue with our discussion in the upcoming video. Thank you.